Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am showing you how to work in AutoCAD. So AutoCAD commands I'm explaining you today. So this is a very important lecture for you because of I'm one by one introduce the command of AutoCAD. So number one is explode. So I will take object on here. So number one is explode. So explode is one. What is the command of explode? Select object and X enter. X for explode. X for explode. EXPLODE explode. So this is explode. The first of all, because of this is object not explode. On this is not explode. Joint object. So I want to this and X enter for explode. It's the first command. The second command is trim. So what is the method of trim? So the shortcut key is TR enter. The second command is trim. So TR double enter. I will trim this object for this object for this object. For this is the function of trim. So the third command is extreme. The third command is extreme. So I am explaining you what is the method of extreme command on here in AutoCAD. So the extreme is two functions. The first function I am explaining to you, XTREM. The XTR for the short command, XTR for extreme, XTR for the shortcut key of extreme. Enter and then click on here and then click on outside. When I am clicking outside, the outside object is automatically extreme. I am Control Z. You look, this is the object. First time I am extreme command, XTR enter. Extreme command, XTRE and enter for the outsider. For outside object is erase. And the second method is extreme in inside. So what is the method of second? I am applying the extreme command. Click on here and click is this first time I am clicking on outside, but this time I am clicking on inside. When I am clicking on inside, the inside object is automatically trimmed. The outside object is not trimmed. So this is the function of extreme. So the third function of the command is join. For the second key, for the shortcut key, J enter. For I want this object. For this is not a joint. I want to join this object. First of all, select this and J enter for join. And this time joint object. And the fifth command is scale. The shortcut key is SC. So I want to scale the object. So this is my object. I want to scale this SC enter. Click on here and this is out of range scale. So you want to this scale is about reference. Because of this is out of range, so you are clicking R enter for reference, or the home tab on here is reference, or shortcut key is R enter. For R enter for reference and specify the reference length. So if you are specify the first point, the second point is my on here, and the third point is my scaling object. For example, my objects is on here, so I am scaling on here. My object is little, so I am scaling on here. So this is the matter of scale. Because of I want to scale on here, Excel enter. I will move this on here. I want to scale this object on here. So this is object SC enter. For here is the reference point for R enter, and then automatically is coming on here. But this is the scale command. So the third thing, the sixth command is align. What is the align command? So I will draw rectangles on here, and I will draw a second rectangle on here, and I want to some rotate this and some rotate this. So I want this is length on here. So what is the method? Okay, I'm copy this object, and this is the same. First of all, I'm align this object. So al enter for the align command. Al enter, select object, al enter, and then specify this point on here. For this point on here, the object is automatically aligned for this on this. You look, this is the object, this is the same object, the second two objects are same. I want to align this object on here. The command is align, al enter for specify points. The first point is there, the second point is there. The automatically align this point. And then I'm explaining the seventh command is stretch, the most important command on this. The function is very important and the role is very important. I want to stretch. Your object is you want to this rectangle on here, this rectangle on here, and the object is not scale, going to not scale for this, only for scale this. So the command is s enter and select this, and then click object on here. And if you have a lot of objects this and this equally divided on here, so this is s enter for click on here point, for then the point is on here, or automatically stretch command is the very important role on here. So the f command is mirror. And what is the function of mirror? So two types of mirror. So first type is I want to this object, I want to this object according to same mirror on here. So mi enter for mirror, want to on here on mirror. For the second thing is you want to this mirror on here. So mi enter for click on this point and control plus F8 for same distance, and then you are same angle on here. This is the mirror command is align and enter, but this is the mirror command. The two types of mirror. The ninth command is boundary. What is the boundary command? I will draw this point and you want to boundary this object. So this is object, I want to apply arc, and you want to boundary this, you want to join this. So bo enter is the most important one, is bo enter boundary for pick point, and the pick point and click on here inside and enter, for this is the automatical join. You look, bo enter and click your object on here. The same function is region. The 10th command region. For what is the function of region? This is the object. I want to region a lot of objects equally boundary on same way. So what is the method? The method is very same. So you are select on this object and you are going to change layer 0 and then layer is 1 is coming. So reg enter. So you want to have here as a region command and equally join this for all object, because of first of all you will look, this is the object are not joined, and then I will change this layer on here and reg enter and click, and all the objects are joined.